So with all the death going on in the world, trust me, I lean more conservative. So you would think it'd be like just stomp his head or kill him. I don't feel the need for death. You know, the Buddhist, I don't know what tradition it's called, but you go to a market, you buy a wild animal, and you set it free. The Buddhists don't believe in killing anything. So definitely not a Buddhist, but caught this guy at my house. Yeah, big as fuck, dude. Pretty wild. And I can't kill him, you know, because it's like, what's the point? You know, I mean, the point is to get rid of him, but I mean, look around me. So I want to set him free because, I mean, he's kind of cute, you know, and very fucking vicious, but I just don't see the point of killing him. So we're going to let him go and see how it works out. Might freak me the fuck out if he comes back at me. Might have to kick him, but hopefully it goes the other way. He's off. He's out. He's in the woods. So I did my good deed for the day. So good luck, soldier.